Okay, let's go.
Jazzy Joe's Autograph Adventures.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Joe's Autograph Adventures. This is India's first web series where I show you 10 top autograph records based on a different theme in every episode. Once again, thank you all for the great amount of love, respect and feedback that you have given me for the first 18 episodes. All your great feedback makes me want to make more and more episodes and show you many more autograph records from my collection. So, thank you. This time, we are talking about the top 10 popular Bollywood comedians in my collection. These are the performers who have brought smiles and laughter to their fans through their movies and performances. And our first comedian is known as India's national comedian. During his career of more than 4 decades, he has worked in over 300 Hindi films. Ladies and gentlemen, Mahmood Ali, popularly known simply as Mahmood. Mahmood was an Indian actor, singer, director and producer, best known for playing comic roles in Hindi films. Mahmood received 25 nominations for Filmfare Awards, 19 for Best Performance in a Comic Role, while the award started in 1954. Awards for the Best Comedian category started only in 1967. Prior to that, Mahmood also received 6 nominations for Best Supporting Actor. Mahmood was one of the most respected and loved entertainers in the Indian film fraternity. A performer of such caliber that leading men back in the day used to reject films because their presence used to diminish in films if Mahmood starred in those movies. He also gave a break to the music director Adi Burman, whose first independent film as music director was Chote Nawab in 1961, and to Rajesh Roshan with his own production Kumara Baap in 1974. His other famous films include CID, Barish, Pyasa, Choti Behan, Sasural, Rakhi, Dil Tera Deewana, Ghar Basa Ke Dekho, Gumnaam, Bhoot Bangla, Pyar Kiye Ja, Padosan and many others. Although I could not meet Mahmood ji because by the time I started collecting autographs, he was not with us anymore, but I do have him in my collection in the form of this artwork. You can see it's an amazing sketch of Mahmood and it is autographed by him. A very rare item and a proud possession in my collection. Our next comedian is famous for the role of Surma Bhopali in the movie Sholay and many other comedy roles in Bollywood. But he is also known for his appearances in many horror movies, especially in projects of the Ramsey brothers. I am talking about Syed Ishtiaq Ahmed Jafri, better known by his stage name Jagdeep. Jagdeep was an Indian film actor and comedian who appeared in more than 400 films. He played Surma Bhopali in Sholay, Machhar in Purana Mandir, Salman Khan's dad in Andaz Apna Apna, and directed the movie Surma Bhopali with his character as the protagonist. Jagdeep started his film career as a child artist extra in B.R. Chopra's Afsana, then went on to do films as a child artist in films like Ab Dilli Dur Nahi, K.A. Abbas's Munna, Guru Dutt's Aar Paar, Bimal Roy's Do Bigha Zameen, and AVM's Hum Panchi Ek Dal Ke. He was launched as a leading man by AVM in the films Bhabhi, Barkha and Bindya, and did a few more films as a leading man. He established himself as a comedian since the movie Brahmachari. Some hit songs are picturized on him like Paas Baitho Tabiyat Behal Jayegi from Punarmilan, In Pyar Ki Raahon Mein from the same film, Chal Ud Ja Re Panchi and Chali Chali Re Patang from the super hit movie Bhabhi, where he is played opposite Nanda, and Aa Gaye Yaro Jeene Ke Din from Fir Wahi Raat. I met Jagdeep ji at his residence in Mumbai, and I would like to say thank you to my friend, my DJ friend Akbar Sami, who helped me coordinate the whole meeting. And it was great to meet Jagdeep ji because He was so down to earth and so welcoming. We spoke about his movies, we spoke about the music of those times, and he was very happy to see the records. And the record that I want to show all of you is a very special one because it is of his movie Surma Bhopali. This movie was written and directed by Jagdeep Ji himself, produced by Naved. The music was by Dilip Sen and Sameer Sen, and the lyrics were by Janisar Akhtar and Asad Bhopali. And it was a movie which was very, very close to his heart. And you can see the songs on the back cover. And you can also see Danny was in the movie. And he has signed in the front, writing Jagdeep. And he has written my name, Jazzy Joe. And our next comedian has not only done numerous comedy roles, but is also one of the first stand-up comedians in India. Yes, I am talking about Johnny Lever. Johnny Lever is an Indian film actor and one of the most noted comedians in Hindi cinema, as well as one of the first stand-up comedians in India. Lever has received 13 Filmfare Award nominations in Filmfare Award for Best Performance in a Comic Role and has won the award twice for his work in Deewana Mastana and Dulhe Raja. He began his career in 1984 and has acted in more than 300 Bollywood films. During a Hindustan Lever Limited company function, he mimicked a few senior officers, and from that day on, the workers said he was not John Rao but was Johnny Lever. When he later joined the film industry, he decided to keep the name. He started to perform stand-up comedy in musical shows, orchestras like Tabassum Hit Parade, and after earning fame, joined the group of Kalyanji Anandji, a music director's duo. His first movie was Dard Ka Rishta, and his other famous movies include Bazigar, Tezab, Jalwa, Kishan Kanhaiya, Mujrim, Chalbaz, and many more. I met Johnny Lever ji when he came to Delhi for a show at Sri Fort Auditorium. Thanks to my friend Mukesh ji, who coordinated the whole meeting. It was wonderful to meet him, and he looked at all the records, he autographed them very happily. And the record that I want to show you is this one of his earlier movies, Mujrim. You can see at the back, it has a great soundtrack, and it has his photograph with Mithun Chakrabarti. And you can see at the back, he has signed saying, "Love, Johnny Lever." Our next comedian is a poet by heart, known for his humor and jokes as one of the first stand-up comedians. Our regulars will recognize him from his famous line, "Char Laina Suna Rahi Hoon." Yes, it is the inimitable Surinder Sharma. Surinder Sharma is an Indian poet, writer and humorist from India. He often writes and performs comic sketches of himself and his wife and is known for his refrain, "Char Laina Suna Rahi Hoon," in Haryanvi dialect. Sharma is known for his contribution to Haryanvi and Hindi comic poetry. He was honored by the Government of India in 2013 with the award of Padma Shri, the fourth highest Indian civilian award for his contributions to the field of literature. He is credited for establishing the tradition of Hasya Ras, which is satire poetry, among Kavi Sammelan industry in India. In 1980, the T-Series company released a cassette named Char Laina Kavi. In 2004, he hosted his own daily radio show, Sharma Ji Se Poocho, and his program, Sharma Ji Se Ask, was very popular among listeners for many years. The satirical writings of Surinder Sharma are compiled in 4 books, which include बुद्धिमानों की मूर्खताएं, मानसरोवर के कौवे, बड़े बड़ों के उत्पात, and मुझसे भला न कोई. I met Surinder Sharma ji at his residence in Delhi, and he was so welcoming, even though it was early morning. But he welcomed us, he looked at our items, and he said that you must be a real fan to have these CDs. And the CD he was talking about is this one, of his famous jokes, Hindi jokes, titled Char Laina, which had an introduction by Manoj Kumar ji. And you can see he has signed in the front with a smiley autograph. Next, we have another comedian who is famous for his comedy roles in films and television since 1979. Ladies and gentlemen, Rakesh Bedi. Rakesh Bedi is an Indian film, stage and television actor. He is majorly known for his comedy roles in films such as Mera Damad and Chashme Baddoor, with the television series like Ye Jo Hai Zindagi, Shriman Shrimati and Yes Boss. Bedi started his film career as a supporting actor in the 1979 film Hamare Tumhare, starring Sanjeev Kumar, and then went on to act in over 150 films and several TV serials. Some of his most memorable roles were in the 1981 film Chashme Baddoor with Farooq Sheikh and Ravi Vaswani, and Ek Duje Ke Liye directed by K. Balachandar, and in the TV sitcoms Shriman Shrimati, Yes Boss and Ye Jo Hai Zindagi. He hosted Science with Brain Cafe, a science show on ZQ, and continues doing theatre in Mumbai. Notably, he played 24 different characters in Vijay Tendulkar's popular one-man play Massage. In 2012, he appeared on his first television drama daily soap Shubh Vivah. I met Rakesh Bedi ji when he came to Delhi for a show, and he was so happy to see the records that I had for him. And the special record that I want to show you is of this movie. This is the movie Hamare Tumhare. And you can see at the back, the songs are there, and the music is by R.D. Burman Saab. The lyrics are by Yogesh. And it's also got a beautiful gatefold. You can see inside. What a beautiful gatefold. And this is where Rakesh Bedi ji has autographed, writing, "With love and best wishes to Jazzy Joe. Rakesh Bedi, keep smiling." And Rakesh Bedi ji made a video for me. Here it is.
जैजी जो साहब नमस्कार, मैं राकेश बेदी बोल रहा हूँ। मुझे पता चला कि आप बहुत बड़े डीजे हैं, इंडिया के वन ऑफ द बेस्ट 10 डीजेस में से आपका नाम है, और आपका नाम बड़ा गजब का है। देखिए, डीजे होता है डीजे और आप हैं जे, जैजी जो। वैसे भी डीजे का बिजनेस बड़ा जैजी बिजनेस है, और ऊपर से आपको ऑटोग्राफ कलेक्शन का भी शौक है। ये तो सोने पे सुहागा हो गया। ये बड़ा रेयर कॉम्बिनेशन है, और इस कॉम्बिनेशन को मेंटेन कीजिएगा। मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आपके पास लता जी, आशा जी, रफी साहब, आरडी और मुकेश जी जैसे लोगों के ऑटोग्राफ हैं। लेकिन एक बात का दुख भी है कि आपके पास मेरा ऑटोग्राफ क्यों नहीं है? कोई बात नहीं, आ जाएगा, डोंट वरी। लेकिन मैं एक बात आपको बता दूं कि मैं भी संगीतकार तो नहीं हूं और म्यूजिशियन नहीं हूं, लेकिन म्यूजिक से बहुत लगाव है। मेरी लाइफ में कोई सिंगल डे ऐसा नहीं होता जब मैं रफी साहब को ना सुनूं। तो आपकी ऑटोग्राफ कलेक्शन के लिए मेरी तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। लगे रहो, गुड लक, ऑल द बेस्ट यू जैजी जो, गुड लक।
Wow, what a great video, Rakesh ji. But I do have your autograph. Yes, I do have your autograph. But first, thank you so much for the video. Thanks a lot. Our next comedian is a television and Bollywood actor, as well as a stage performer and a short movies producer. In short, a creative powerhouse. I'm talking about Mukesh Ahuja. Mukesh Ahuja is an Indian film and television actor who has also done numerous ads and stage shows. He has done more than 100 TV commercials, more than 1,000 TV serial episodes, and has done movies like The Dirty Picture, Dabang, Dhoom, Pulisgiri, Chalte Chalte, Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani, Man, मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ, झंकार बीट्स and many others. He has also made many short films based on a variety of topics. Apart from all this, he gets time to do stage shows also in English, Hindi, Gujarati and Sindhi theatre. People normally do films, TV serials and then ads. But Mukesh Ahuja ji started with ads and modeling and then moved on to movies and serials. Comedy is his forte on all these platforms. But he is one of the few comedians who can shed tears also at the drop of a hat and make you cry along with him. I've had the great fortune of meeting Mukesh Ahuja ji many times. Couple of times in Delhi, many times when I go to Mumbai to get autographs, I meet him. Couple of times he has come along with me, and he's so down to earth and he's so helpful. he has been really helping me in my autograph collection. And the record that I want to show all of you, autographed by him, is this record of Ajab Prem Ki Gajab Kahani. And you can see at the back, the songs are there. Music by Pritam. And yes, there is an autograph at the bottom by DJ Suketu also, who has written to Joe Sir, best wishes always. But he has signed in the front, Mukeshji has signed saying to Jazzy Joe, with love, Mukesh Ahuja, and he has put the date 25th of October 2018. And Mukeshji also made a video for me. Check it out.
DJ Jazzy Joe, one of the premier DJs in India, has a hobby of collecting autographs on LP records. I have personally seen him running around for autographs whenever he is in Mumbai, all day long, even without having food. Very hardworking. He has put a lot of efforts in his collection. Mentioned in Limca Book of Records for having largest collection of autographed record covers. I think more than 2,000. All my best wishes for his autograph adventures.
Now that's a great video. Wow. Thank you so much, Mukesh Ahuja ji. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What a great video. Thank you. Our next comedian has a very, very popular nickname. Let's see if you can guess who he is from his nickname. Gajodhar Bhaiya. Yes, friends, I am talking about Satya Prakash Srivastav, popularly known as Raju Srivastav. Raju Srivastav is an Indian comedian who has performed in stage shows in India and abroad. He has also launched a series of audio cassettes and video CDs. He gained initial notice as an Amitabh Bachchan lookalike, and he started his career by doing small roles in Bollywood films. He had a part in the Rajshri Productions movie Maine Pyar Kiya and other small roles in various movies such as Bazigar and Bombay to Goa. He worked as an actor and comedian in the Bollywood movie Amdani Athanni Kharcha Rupaiya. He ventured into stand-up comedy with the talent show The Great Indian Laughter Challenge and finished as second runner-up, subsequently taking part in the spin-off The Great Indian Laughter Challenge Champions, in which he won the title of the King of Comedy. Srivastav also participated in Bigg Boss Season 3, the Indian counterpart of the Big Brother franchise, and he has also appeared on Comedy Nights with Couple. Now, Raju Srivastav I met twice, both times in Delhi, and both times it was quite entertaining to meet him. We spoke a little about music, about LP records, about his jokes, his career, and he was very, very down to earth and very entertaining both the times. And I don't have a record of Raju Srivastav ji because there is no record out yet of his movie. But I do have him in my autograph collection in the form of this photograph of his. A lovely photograph where he's laughing as a comedian should, and he has autographed saying love, Raju Srivastav. Our journey continues with our next comedian, for whom I will give you 2 clues. Let's see if you can guess. Winner of the Great Indian Laughter Challenge and his drunk character Ratan Noora. Yes, I think you got it. I am talking about Sunil Pal. Sunil Pal is an Indian comedian, actor and voice actor, and the 2005 winner of the show The Great Indian Laughter Challenge. He has acted in various Bollywood films doing minor comic roles. In 2010, he wrote and directed a comedy film Bhavnaon Ko Samjho, which featured a record 47 stand-up comedians including Johnny Lever, Raju Srivastav, Kapil Sharma, Naveen Prabhakar, Ehsan Qureshi and many, many more. Sunil Pal contested in the Great Indian Laughter Challenge and won the competition. He has a remarkable ability of impersonating many film actors like Sunil Shetty, Nana Patekar, Sunny Deol, Dharmendra, Nasruddin Shah and Irfan Khan with commanding progress. In addition, his self-created character of the drunkard Ratan Noora was widely admired. His movie Bhavnaon Ko Samjho is in the Guinness Book of World Records for a record of 47 stand-up comedians acting in a single film. Once again, I met Sunil Palji in Mumbai at a music launch where I had gone to meet Shabir Kumarji, and he was also there. Sunil Palji was also there, and it was really great to meet him. And once again, we spoke about his achievements. We spoke about my collection, and also Mukesh ji also helped me in getting his autographs. And the autographs, which I want to show you, are on the DVD cover of his own movie, Bhavnaon Ko Samjho. The movie which has a record in the Guinness Book of World Records. And you can see he has signed at the back, writing "With love, Sunil Pal," and a smiley. And Sunil Palji also sent me a video. Here it is.
हाय जाजी जो, बहुत ही प्यारा नाम है आपका, बहुत ही यूनिक नाम है आपका, और 1992 से आप डीजे हैं, और डीजे भी नंबर 1 डीजे, क्योंकि टॉप 10 में आपका नाम आता है। और आपका ऑटोग्राफ कलेक्शन तो कमाल है, क्या बात है। कितने सारे लेजेंड्स का आपने रिकॉर्ड्स पे ऑटोग्राफ लिया है। मुकेश जी, आर.डी. बर्मन साहब, आशा भोसले जी, रफी साहब, लता जी, ओ हो, क्या बात है। इस शौक को मैं सलाम करता हूं। जाजी जो, आप जियो हजारों साल, यही तहे दिल से दुआ दे रहा सुनील पाल, और इसी तरह से करते रहो धमाल, दुआओं से रहो माला माल।
Isn't that a great video? Wow, thank you so much, Sunil Palji, for all your words and your wishes and this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Our next comedian is the single lady in this episode, holding the fort for all women in a male-dominated genre. Friends, I am talking about Guddi Maruti. Guddi Maruti is an Indian actress best known for her comedy roles on television and in Bollywood movies. Maruti started her career at the age of 10 as a child artist in the film Jaan Hazir Hai. After her father's death, she continued acting to support the family. Due to her physical appearance, she bagged comedy roles in the films and kept on going with her career. Maruti has acted in over 97 movies since the 1980s. Over the years, she has acted in TV shows and is well known for her role as Bua in the TV show Doli Armanon Ki. Her popular movies include Khiladi, Shola Aur Shabnam, Aashik Awara, Love 86, Dulhe Raja, and BV Number 1. In 1995, Maruti and Rajesh Hitji did a stand-up comedy show, Sorry Mary Lori, which also added to her fame. She took a career break in 2006 and rejoined the film industry in 2015. And she started her career again with the comedy movie Hum Sab Ullu Hain. I met Guddi ji when she had come to Delhi for a performance. And once again, it was a great pleasure to meet her because she was so surprised on seeing her records. She said, I've autographed before, but very few people have brought me LP records. And the LP record that I want to show all of you is of one of her earlier films. This is the movie Love 86. Also one of the earlier movies of Govinda. And you can see it has a great cover, great photograph at the back. And the songs are on the gatefold. Once again, beautiful photographs in the gatefold. And the songs are there. Music by Lakshmikant Pyarelal. And Guddi ji has signed in the front. She has written, Smile, Guddi Maruti. And surprise, surprise, Guddi Maruti also made a video. Check it out.
जो आप तो बड़े छुपे रुस्तम हो। आपके पास 2000 ऑटोग्राफ्स एलपी रिकॉर्ड्स पर हैं और ना जाने कितने एक्टर्स और एक्ट्रेसेस के ऑटोग्राफ्स के कलेक्शंस हैं आपके पास, जैसे कि महमूद जी, जगदीप जी, असरानी जी, जॉनी लीवर जी एंड अबव ऑल गुड्डी मारुति। और भाई मुबारक हो, आपका नाम लिम्का बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स में आ चुका है और मैं यही दुआ करती हूँ, यही प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि ये जो आपका पैशन है, ये जो हॉबी है, ये जो जुनून है, ये बरकरार रहे और आपका नाम गिनेस बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स में भी आ जाए. सो लॉट ऑफ कंग्रेचुलेशंस एंड बधाइयाँ. ऑल द बेस्ट.
Once again, thank you so much, Goody ji. Thanks for your words, your wishes, and a great, great video. Wow. Thank you so much. All I can say is thank you. Our final comedian for this episode. You can say we have saved the best for last. He is a legend in himself, whose Bollywood career has spanned 5 decades. Famous as अंग्रेजों के जमाने का जेलर, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द ग्रेट असरानी. Govardhan Asrani, popularly known simply as Asrani, is an Indian actor and director whose Bollywood career has spanned 5 decades. He has acted in over 350 films. Asrani has played the lead hero, character roles, comedy roles, and supporting roles. He is best known for his role in Sholay as a jailer. In Hindi films, he played the comedian's role from 1966 to 2013 and played a supporting actor's role as a close friend of the lead hero in many films between 1972 and 1994. In a few Hindi films like Chala Murari Hero Banne and Salam Mem Saab, he played the main lead hero. In Gujarati films, he played the lead hero from 1972 to 1984 and played character roles from 1985 to 2012. He also directed 6 films between 1974 and 1997. His notable roles as a comedian from the 1970s are in Aaj Ki Taja Khabar, Roti, Prem Nagar, Chupke Chupke, Choti Ki Baat, Rafu Chakkar, Sholay, Balika Badhu, Fakira, Anurodh, Chehla Babu, Charas, Fansi, Dil Lagi, Hira Lal Panna Lal, Pati Patni Aur Wo, and Hamare Tumhare. I met Asrani ji once in Delhi when he had come to perform a theatre play back to back. He was doing an afternoon and an evening show back to back, and so he was quite busy. And I met him, but I could not get a photograph or an autograph because there were just too many people. But I do have him in my collection in the form of this record. It's a beautiful Gujarati record, a Gujarati soundtrack, and you can see there are photographs of him in the front and at the back, a black and white cover at the back, but he has signed in the front and he has written to dearest Viren Bhai with best wishes, Asrani, and he has signed in 1981. And now we come to the end of this episode featuring popular Bollywood comedians. I hope all of you had fun, you enjoyed the autographs and the information. And if you did, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, Jazzy Joe Entertainment, so that I can make many more videos like this for you. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for much more. You can also send any questions, suggestions or feedback to this email, jazzyautographs@yahoo.com. To all my autograph collector friends, happy collecting. And to everyone else watching, thank you for joining me this time and hope you will join me in the next episode also, where I will bring you another 10 autographs from 10 different celebrities based on a theme. Till then, take care and all the best.